In this video, we will discuss a task related to logical operator. In this task, we pass one integer parameter which will get scores. Our scores will go up to 30 and we will put conditions here. If my score is within 25 to 30 range, then my grade should be A and it should print A. If it is passing in function 25, then grade should be A. If it is printing 20 to 25, then grade is B. If 15 to 20, then C, 10 to 15 is D, 5 to 10 is E, and 0 to 5 is F. It is a simple task of logical operator. Let's discuss the solution. Here I have its solution. Here I have taken a variable of grade and made a function getGrade, and I am passing score, which is an integer. I have applied a condition here. If I see according to first condition, if my score is between 25 to 30, then grade should be A. If my score is greater than 25 or less than 30, then grade A should be printed, and here it should be grade A is, and then grade is printed. If I put greater than 25, let's suppose 26, this is function calling and I am passing integer 26. And if I print this and run, then grade will come. We have put AND here in, and if both conditions are true, then it prints. In score, I have 26, which is greater than 25 and is less than 30. So it is true. Next condition is else if. I will check at different conditions. I will do else if. If my score is greater than 25 to 20 and is less than 20, then B grade will be printed. In the same way, 15 to 20 else if, then 15 to 10 else if. I have put else, which means if it puts any other number, then this. If it puts other numbers, then 30. If we say enter 0 to 30, please enter a number 0 to 30. If I enter a number 66, then which message will come? It will come, please enter a number 0 to 30. If we do a little debugging, we will put 11 and place a debugger and test so we can understand what is happening. Here I have placed a debugger. When I went here and opened inspect, refreshed, came to debugger, in score I have 11. Its condition has failed. It moved further. Here also condition failed. Moving down further again, condition failed. Here it is 11. So this condition is passed. Then grade D is printed. We have simply put AND conditions. When the conditions are true, then we will get the result. If we put the condition of OR, it won't work. It all depends on our situation. According to that, we put AND, OR conditions. In OR, if one condition is true, it returns as true. In AND, both conditions must be true. If both conditions are true, then it will print. Depends on our problem what we want to do with it.